Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Xiaomi's Mitu brand is targeted at children, and one of the most prominent products in the series is the Children Learning Watch. Xiaomi launched the Mitu Children Learning Watch 4 Pro in January last year, and one of its prominent features is the presence of a dual-camera setup. The Chinese tech giant has now announced the addition of a new feature on the smartwatch, which is support for the WeChat app, allowing children to socialize more freely. The function allows the kids to chat with friends, send photos, and make voice and video calls. The Mitu Children Learning Watch 4 Pro features a 1.78-inch display that offers a pixel density of 326 pin. The surface is protected by a layer of 2.5D curved Gorilla Glass 3 with a diamond-like coating process and hardness of 9H, making it resistant to scratches and drops. Apart from the high-definition dual cameras, the Mitu Children Learning Watch 4 Pro has dual-frequency GPS positioning that offers 24-hour tracking. Other connectivity options on the device include 4G LTE and NFC. The dual camera up front includes a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera sensor with f/2.4 aperture and 82-degree field of view. There is also an 8-megapixel zoom camera on the side with f/2.2 aperture and 84.9-degree field of view with T-lens ultra-fast focus. Xiaomi says the dual cameras can capture the kid and at the same time show the surrounding environment so that you can see your child as well as his surrounding at the same time. The smartwatch uses 10-fold L positioning and is equipped with L1 plus L5 dual-frequency GPS coordinated positioning system. Under the hood, the device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 2500 SoC, coupled with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. While the device is running the Android 8.1 operating system, it is heavily customized to make it suitable for easy use for children. It comes with support for AI learning machine and Xiao AI voice assistant, using which the user can select a variety of high-quality learning apps, covering Chinese, English, math, social, fun, logical thinking, and other content. It also supports interactive English learning tool with support for oral practice at any time, AI assessment of children's pronunciation accuracy, American pronunciation, among others. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.